The law takes its own course.
The office of the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District held the grand finale of the Ujjwal Bharat Ujjwal Bhavishya Power at the rate 2047 at Usosotham Auditorium, Shillong today. Speaking on the occasion, PHE Minister Renitan Lingdo Tongkar lauded the initiatives and various schemes availed by the power sector of the central government to provide electricity throughout the country. Additional Chief Secretary and CMD of MEECL DP Watlang, who was also present on the occasion, said that the state government is leaving no stone unturned to ensure different schemes related to power are implemented in the best manner. He also said that the government currently is working to replace all faulty transformers at a village level.
Without light, there may be no life. So light is life. We cannot imagine in the present world, in the present generation, if we can live without power, without electricity. One scheme after another has been launched by the government of India and the government of Meghalaya to ensure that people in the state would get electricity. And I want to congratulate to all the households that has been electrified till today.
More than 600